Wait, don't throw this away.
But why?
I want to use this to make something.
Really? You can make something using this garbage?
Yes, I want to make some decorations for my desk.
Wow, I don't know you can do that. Interesting.
Actually, there are lots of things that you can do out of plastics. Here are some examples.
Plastics have revolutionized our world, making life more convenient, from medicine to technology and even in everyday tasks. It has so many advantages. They are lightweight, durable, and versatile. But despite all the benefits, plastic pollution has become a serious issue. The real problem is not the plastic themselves, but it's about how we use and dispose of them. Every day, millions of tons of plastic waste end up in landfills, oceans, and other environments. Single-use plastic like bottles and straws are often used once and then discarded. But the bigger issue is that so many of us don't recycle properly or does not recycle at all. This waste piles up, causing harm to wildlife, ecosystem, and ultimately to us humans. The solution is simple. Change our habits. We can start by reducing our reliance on single-use plastics and recycle more. We can also support innovation that offers sustainable alternatives. It's not about completely eliminating plastics, but it's about using them responsibly. When we make these changes, we can continue to benefit from plastics without destroying the planet. Let's all aim for a future where we use plastic wisely and protect our environment for generations to come.
Plastic is one of the most widely used materials in our daily life. It is used for everything from packaging to clothing to furniture. Reuse involves utilizing used plastic items in their original form or with minimal modification for the same or a different purpose, extending their lifespan and reducing waste. There are many ways to reuse plastic. Here are some suggestions how to reuse plastic. First, clean and sanitize plastic containers, bottles, or bags for repeated use. Second, use old plastic jars for storage of household items such as grain, screw, or small tools. Lastly, reuse plastic packaging for shipping or organizing items at home. The example of reused plastic are: first, plastic bottle. Reuse plastic bottle as water bottle, plant watering devices, or storage for liquids. Next, plastic bags. Use plastic bags repeatedly for shopping or as liner for small trash bin. Lastly, plastic tubs. Use a plastic tub to store food or craft supplies. Repurpose, also known as upcycling, involves transforming used plastic material into new items with a different function or value and giving them a second life. There are some ways to repurpose. First, cut and reshape plastic bottles to create bird feeders, planters, or desk organizers. Second, turn old plastic bags into durable woven mats or decorative items. Lastly, make plastic scrap to mold into art, tile, or DIY building block. The example of repurposed plastic. First, plastic bottle can convert into garden sprinklers, lampshades, or wall decorations. Then, plastic bags can woven into handbags or used as stuffing for cushions. Lastly, plastic containers can modify into toolbox or play items like toy houses.
Next, as we all know, recycling plastics refers to the process of collecting, sorting, cleaning, and reprocessing used plastic materials to create new products. It reduces the need for virgin plastic production, conserves resources, and minimizes environmental pollution. So this is the three ways how to recycle plastics. First, in reprocessing, shredded plastics are melted and molded into pellets or new shapes for manufacturing. Second, in manufacturing, recycled plastic pellets are used to produce new items such as bottles, containers, or textiles. Lastly, in sorting, plastics are sorted based on type, resin code, and color using manual or automated systems. Next, example of recycled plastics. First, plastic bottles to polyester fibers, where used plastic bottles are recycled into polyester fibers for textiles and clothing. Second, packaging materials, where recycled plastics are used to create new packaging, reducing the need for virgin materials. Lastly, recycled plastics furniture, where plastics are turned into outdoor benches, chairs, and tables. For your information, reinventing plastics involves finding innovative ways to repurpose or transform plastic waste into new application, products, or technologies. This goes beyond traditional recycling and focuses on creative, sustainable solutions to extend the life and value of plastics. Next, these are the ways on how to reinvent plastic. First of all, in innovative design, create products with recycled plastics such as furniture, tiles, or accessories. Next, in industrial applications, repurpose plastics into construction materials such as plastic bricks or rods. Lastly, in technology development, convert plastic waste into energy, fuels, or advanced materials like 3D printing filaments. Last but not least, these are the example of reinvent plastics. First, plastic roads, where plastic waste is melted and mixed with asphalt to create more durable roads. Second, artistic installations, where artists use plastic waste to create sculptures and artworks that raise awareness about pollution. Lastly, plastic to fuel technology, where advanced methods convert plastics into diesel, gasoline, or other fuels.
Plastics are more than just a material of convenience. They are a resource with the potential to drive sustainability when used thoughtfully. Through initiatives such as reusing and repurposing, we can extend the lifespan of plastic products, while recycling and reinventing offer innovative ways to minimize waste and create new value. Instead of throwing plastic away, we can transform them into useful items, like converting bottles into planters or storage containers, or using them for creative crafts. The key lies in managing plastic responsibly, raising awareness, and encouraging collective action. By treating plastics as a valuable asset instead of mere waste, we can protect our environment and ensure a greener and cleaner future ahead. So let us work together to rethink, reshape, and redefine how we see plastic, because every small step can lead to a significant change for the planet.